Jian Machinery Company was founded in 2003, and it is a modern large-scale machinery manufacturing enterprise, specializing in the production of logistics handling and construction machinery. Limited leads the future of the construction machinery industry with its grand scale and advanced facilities. From design to finished product, every step is meticulously refined, aiming to offer you high-quality options. We have a team of professional mechanical designers and engineers. A rich inventory ensures quick market response and timely customer service. We meticulously oversee every detail, using advanced laser cutting for precision and robotic welding for efficient. Modern painting and powder coating processes enhance aesthetics and durability, setting new standards in quality and design. Automated assembly lines allow every product to be manufactured at the fastest speed and highest efficiency. This place epitomizes modern industry's creativity. We provide a variety of loader models to meet your diverse engineering needs. Skid Steer Loader Series. The super-large luxurious cab features a new HZM family-style design, providing spacious room and a wide field of view. 8 Series European-style loaders, compliant with Euro 5 emission standards and capable of being fitted with telescopic arms. 9 Series construction loaders, equipped with greater rated power and load capacity. Backhoe Loader Series, boasting the world-leading XCMG fully automatic electronic control gearbox, offering a car-like driving experience. Telehandler Series, with a maximum lifting capacity of 7 meters and 4-wheel co-directional steering. Wheel Excavator Series. Highly mobile and energy efficient, it easily handles complex terrains. Jian Machinery Company. It has 20 years of export experience, with products sold to over 50 countries and regions worldwide. Our professional sales and after-sales service teams are committed to providing high-quality service and meeting the needs of the international market. Jian Machinery, creating brilliance together with you.